One day we were walking out to the Alfa Romeo and we noticed that our current puddle lights are super dim and part of it is like missing. This isn't the full Alfa Romeo logo, and it's first dim, second missing a piece. So we thought, let's go ahead and upgrade it. Not with dogs, but with the little thing we got from Amazon. It'll be in the description below the like button, so if you want it, you can have it. It's these. We have the lights. Now we just need a pry tool. Perfect. And the kit comes with one of these, so they got you covered. You need to pay attention whether you're doing the left or the right to this little tab on the side. It's the same design as the ones already in here. So we're gonna want to push this tab in with our pry tool to get this one out, or to get this one out in the future. Both of them have this little tab kind of facing this part, so facing away from the car when the doors open. So underneath here, we just take our pry tool and then go under it. Now don't be discouraged if it takes you a long time to get these out. It took me forever just to wiggle the pry tool in there and then finally prying it down to get it off. It's out. Now there's a white clip inside of here that's part of the plug for the light. You just need to push that in, pull that out, and this guy is removed. Don't lose that white plug. We're gonna need to slide it into here. Not a lot of slack, and it only goes in one way, so just be warned. Kind of push the light in and push it in. You might hear it click, but the light shouldn't come out if you give it a light tug. It's okay that the light does not go on. Now just line it up from the back and then push it in the side with the tab is on. Will just pop into place. You're done. You're done. So check this out. We're gonna go ahead and close the door, and then when we go to open it, look at that. There it is, guys. Beautiful, absolute beautiful logo. The whole thing is there this time, and we have a cursive Alfa Romeo. This thing looks great. Let's move over to the other side.
Oh, did you get it out?
No, only half of it came out.
Oh no!
Big oh no.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, that's so nice.
That's so pretty.
Ready?
Yes. Try to get it more in the center. Yeah. Too far.
Perfect.